Hello viewers, I'm Ethan, VP of Sales and Trading for OSL. If you're watching this channel, you're probably keen to know more about crypto in general and the latest news surrounding it. As we start Q3 2021 in earnest, let us take a quick look at the past quarter and recap how it has brought us here today. Back in Q2, in a short span of 2 months, we saw Bitcoin prices hit an all-time high of 64,888 in April and ETH making an all-time high of 4,400 in May. The euphoria was short-lived, however, as we saw a major correction in the two most popular coins sliding to year lows of 30,000 for Bitcoin and 1,860 for ETH on May 19th. This was in part due to the reversal in broader acceptance of cryptocurrency, as well as regulatory concerns and general de-risking. Once the dust is settled, we saw crypto as a whole take a mostly defensive position for the month of June, where we saw mostly sideways trading. With constant news on Bitcoin mines being shut down by the Chinese government and miners migrating over to the Western Hemisphere, we see Bitcoin being sold down to pay for the logistical move to the West, and we saw more Bitcoins being withdrawn offline at the highest rate since last week. The hash rate has dropped to an all-time low, but we expect this to recover as mining difficulty continues to drop. It is a positive news for Bitcoin as it will encourage more miners to jump back into the fray. This month's biggest potential market mover will be the unlocking of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Now, this trust is the most traded crypto fund in the world, allowing retailers and institutional investors to participate in Bitcoin without actually holding the underlying asset. The mechanism of how the fund works is of major interest to traders, as a sizable portion of locked up Bitcoins is scheduled to be released on the 18th of July. About slightly over 16,000 Bitcoins will be released after this 6 months lockup. It's not all doom and gloom though, as most institutions that brought into the trust 6 months ago are most likely underwater, and some will not be looking to sell off their holdings to avoid a loss. Some market neutral traders may in fact need to buy more Bitcoins as they borrowed Bitcoin 6 months earlier to invest in the trust. That's all from me now. I'm Ethan from OSL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Catch you on the next one.